I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a question on linear systems which involves fractions. You need to copy this question, solve, and then check my solution. The question is, solve x over 3 plus y over 2 equals to 3 and 2x over 3 minus 3y over 4 equals to minus 1. So we have two linear equations, they form a system. You need to find point of intersection between these two lines. To solve such a system, it is important to write them without fractions. So what we are going to do here is, the first equation, we are going to multiply each term by the common denominator, which is 6. So we'll times this one by 6. That is the strategy. For the second one, we are going to multiply each term by 3 times 4, 12, right? And then rewrite the equations. So if I multiply this by 6, I get 6 divided by 3 as 2. So I could write this as 2x plus, you could say 3y, equals to 6 times 3, 18. And the second equation becomes 4 times 2 as 8x minus 9y equals to minus 12, right? So multiplying by minus 1. So in this fashion, when you multiply by lowest common denominator, right? So we multiply by lowest common denominator to get rid of fractions, So that is the strategy. Now it is simpler to solve these equations. Let's number them. Let us say this is our equation number 1, this is equation number 2. We'll adopt the method of elimination in this case. Equation 2 has got 8x. We can make coefficient of x as 8 for equation 1. If I multiply all this by 4, correct? So we will times the first equation by 4, correct? That is to say, we'll have 4 times equation 1, right? So we'll write, after multiplying equation 1 by 4, 4 times 2 is 8, so we get 8x plus 12y equals to 4 times 18. You can use the calculator, 3672, that is what you get. Now, we'll name this as equation 3 for us. Now, if I do equation 3 minus equation 2, I can eliminate 8x. So that is the elimination method. So we'll do equation 3 minus equation 2. 8x minus 8x, I should say 8x minus 8x is 0. 12y minus 9y, minus of minus, adds it up. So we get 12y, let me write 12y, minus of minus 9y, is it okay? Equals to 72 minus of minus 12, is it okay? So minus minus becomes plus. So we can write this as 21y equals to, when you add 12 to 72, you get 84. Y equals to 84 by 21, and that gives you a value of 4. So y is equals to 4 for you. Once you find y, then what you can do is substitute y. We'll call this equation 4 for us. Okay. So now you can substitute y in one of your equations and calculate x, correct? So let us sub y equals to 4. This is equation 4 in equation 2, right? It's in equation 2. So y is 4. We'll write 4 here. So we get 8x minus 9 times 4 equals to minus 12. Or 8x equals to minus 12 plus 9 times 4 is 36, right? So 36 minus 12 is 24. 8x equals to 24. X is equals to 24 divided by 8, which is 3. So we get x value of 3. So therefore, the point of intersection is our answer, and this answer is the coordinate point where x value is 3 and y value is 4. So that becomes the answer for this particular question. I hope the method is absolutely clear. So first step here is to rewrite the equations without fractions. We got rid of fractions by multiplying each term by their common denominator, right? Lowest common denominator. 6 was the lowest common denominator for the first equation, 12 for the second. So when you get two equations, follow the method of elimination to find the solution. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.